All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Crusoe with Simply Vegas. I'm out here in the master plan community of Summerlin, located on the west side. Take a look at these mountain views, guys. Now the name of this community is called Cloudbreak Ridge. The builder is KB Homes. Now we just got done touring the 3095 floor plan, which is, I think this is one of my favorite models. You guys got to check this thing out, especially if you have a large family. Then we just did a video on this one right here, which is the 2989 floor plan. So if you haven't had a chance, check out that video. And now we're going to take a look at this single story together. Now this is the 2251 model, which is 2,251 square feet. Single story, you have the option 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, and a covered patio. Now this one, this model right here, the base price, okay, not the final price, depending on your selections and your options. The base price on here, that it doesn't even include the lot, $825,000. Now on this one, they did a couple things different. I've seen this model multiple times and toured it, but I've noticed they've made a couple changes. Number one, the elevation. Number two, they're using more stone and they're using Schluters here, and also controlled joints on the stucco. The stucco here has been sprayed stucco. Definitely do like the pavers. Now you do have the option in the near future to go ahead and seal the pavers. The only thing, if you seal the pavers, you're going to have that high gloss look. Another thing I've noticed, they add the lights here, which is a plus for the garage. So on this one, you can see we have a 2-inch gas line. Now, depending on the size of the home, the gas lines, you need to make sure it's bigger. When you start getting the 6,000 square feet, the gas lines are going to be about a 4-inch gas line. Even also your breaker box. I believe on here, the main panels is at 200 amps. I prefer 220, so depending on the builder, sometimes you get the 200, 220 amps. I prefer the 220 amps. That gives you more versatility as far as doing upgrades to your home in the near future. If you want to add a pool and just certain things. All right, let's go take a look at this thing. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, we have more of like a baby blue front door. Say hi to the ring camera here. Keypad again. And door. Ooh, let's take a look at this. We got an optional room here, but we're gonna walk straight back. I definitely love this open floor plan concept. 10-foot ceilings. Then we have a center slide. Oh, they extended the island here. Kind of like in this floor plan. Now, the next home I want to buy is definitely a single story, but man, look at this incredible view. I definitely would have to cut that pole right there. So we got the primary here. Let's start back in the front. We got the LVP flooring. Here, we have a whole brand new style of texture. Here we have more of the knockdown texture. It's kind of like the orange peel texture here. However, it's going to cost you more money for the labor costs to do this. Standard bullnose. The only thing I don't like about the bullnose, this right here is a little bit hollow, so it's like a thin piece of metal or aluminum, and it bends very easy, but there's nothing between that straight edge and this aluminum. So once you bend this, you're pretty much done. 2-car garage access here. We do have the option to do another room. I would probably leave this as an office, but do aftermarket a glass door here. Here they added the 4-can lighting. Now, if you do the package combo, it's going to be a little bit more cheaper on the package combo versus doing the individual. I've noticed the paint here is the semi-gloss paint. Now when it comes to paint, I like the eggshell, but it does get dirty, but I kind of like that matte finish. But if you do the semi-gloss, you know, it's a lot easier to clean. Now typically on the baseboards, they will always do the semi-gloss, and also on the doors and also on the casings. Now one thing I've noticed about the white baseboards, if you are using chemicals to mop your floor, it will etch the bottom of that paint and you'll see it. Also, with the LVP flooring, make sure to check the manufacturer of what type of chemicals that you can use. Typically, it's just only hot water. You do not want to void the warranty. 8-foot doors, 2-panel doors, upgrading on the hardware, which is a plus. And as you can see, how much of a difference this makes. With a, oh, this is like a 12-foot ceiling. Oh my gosh. Now, one thing I do want to share with you is that when you start to do color block with a lighter paint white and a darker paint, you can see the blemishes where the drywall meets. So I like to do more of the lighter colors that matches the ceilings, and typically the ceilings will be white, and it would be a flat white. We got white shaker cabinets. These are probably the soft closing. Nope. And these are the Ristica. I believe that's how you pronounce it, cabinets. So these are going to just be like the MDFs, right? Side stable cabinets. You can do the upgrades on here to do a higher quality cabinet. Will it increase the value of your property? The answer is no, but it is a great selling feature. That tub I would leave standard, then rip it out, and then I would just tile the whole thing. So we have our gas dryer here. Smart panel box. So on this one, as you can see, they only did toucan lighting here. On this one, I would probably just do, to save costs, you could just do pre-wired J-box for the ceiling fan. Or you can do the ceiling fan pre-wire and then also the toucan lighting. Let's take a walk here. Huh, it seems like the lights are turned off. What's going on here? Nice wallpaper. Now we talked about this, and I just want to share this quick tip. Builders do not offer wallpaper. Now, from a design standpoint, if you are going to do wallpaper and then you're having the builder texture the walls, they're required to texture all the interior walls automatically. Which means if it's textured like this and you have wallpaper, it's not a solid color, you're gonna see all the blemishes here, all the lines from the texture into your walls. Reason why this looks so good because it's not textured. Builder does not offer that. Okay? Here this wall is not insulated. Okay? This is how you tell. Can you hear that? Can you insulate the interior walls? Yes, you can. Does it kind of give you a sound barrier? Yes. Does it work for insulation? Builder says it doesn't, but I say it does. Okay? Now it is required the perimeter of the wall of your house to all be insulated, but not the interior. Would I do the interior upgrade? The answer is yes. That's me personally. Now let's take a look at the primary. Oh, yes. Oh, man, I thought this was the door to the exterior. So this has just got to be one of the closets. Here we go again with this dark brown paint. Come on, guys. What are we doing here? 4-can lighting, pre-wire ceiling fans. Now, here, this is a 72-inch, right? Actually, I'm sorry, a 6-foot, yeah, 72-inch, 6-foot. The good news about this standard stock window is that you can actually reframe this, actually have a slide here, which I prefer to bring in more light. This is something I would do aftermarket. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. So here's your second closet, okay. For the square footage of this home, it looks like it's mostly the main living area, like the kitchen area here. Seems like it's taken away from the bedrooms. But I do love just open space here. Got the undermounted sinks, okay. Full overlay cabinets to see if they did the dovetails here. Nope. You got the 3x3 tiles. I mean, it's not bad. One thing I do want to point out is, you see these 2-can lightings right here? How close they are together? But then we have this dining room table here, okay? But it's not lined up in the center. So from a design standpoint, okay, guys, don't criticize me because I'm in my gym clothes because I'm going to the gym after this, okay? One thing I want you to understand is, if you're buying a home like this, okay, you're going to the design studio. Now we are running electrical. In the design diagram for the electrical, there's going to show you where the standard lighting is going to be. But you have to think ahead, okay? You need to measure out your space of where you're going to be putting your dining room table. So let's just assume I'm buying this dining room table. I have the measurements. I know where I'm going to place it here. Then when I hit the design studio, I know that, you know what? Because here's the center. If I look up the center here, if I want to put a chandelier down the center, I have that option here. Or I can readjust the can lighting to fit symmetrically to the table. Unfortunately, in this case right here, the line is completely off. So these are things that you have to just really think about. And that's where I will help you when we spec out your home. Not all realtors are made equally. Guys, I do this 7 days a week, nonstop. This is what I love to do. Now, we're going to go out through the 12x12 sliders. Then we have the option for the covered patio. Oh, I love how we have this view fencing that goes all the way around here. See, now imagine if we had an aftermarket slider right there. Gorgeous day today here in Las Vegas, guys. All right, that is pretty much it. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, if you are planning on coming out here and purchasing a brand new home and you need help, or even a resale home, I'm definitely your go-to guy. Also, one more thing. If you're in the process of buying a home and you're going from like one website to another website, and you're looking at one builder to another builder, one community to another community, you're trying to find out who's got the best incentives, who has the best deal, dude, stop wasting your time. What I want you to do is check out simplyvegashomes.com, okay? There's a tab on the top. It says New Home Access. You click on that. It takes you to the landing page for the website to register, And all you got to do is just go in there, set up your own search criteria of your price point, square footage, what you're looking for, and it shows you all the properties that are all brand new, all the builders across the Las Vegas, what's available within your price range. Or if you just want to look at all the builders on one website, go register today. All right, guys, that is it for today's video home tour. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. And like I said, if you haven't seen the 3095 model or the 2989 model, check those out because I think you will also like that as well. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the Relocation Guide. Now, the Relocation Guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down and tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.